What's going on, everyone? Thanks for visiting the channel. In today's video, I want to discuss how you can find a mentor to help shortcut your learning curve, take you from where you are right now to achieving a level of success that a mentor can provide. Stick around, I'm going to explain my thoughts on exactly how to do this. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. I drop videos all the time on passive income, entrepreneurship, how to grow your wealth. Smash that like button, it really does help the YouTube algorithm. Without any further ado, let's get into it. What are my thoughts and how can you find a mentor to help shortcut your learning curve so that you can achieve success as quickly as possible? Okay, so first of all, let's just define what a mentor is. They're not some magic superhero. They're just a normal person that has achieved a level of success, or they're in a place in their life where you emulate or you want to become or achieve what they've achieved. That's it, nothing more. If that person is willing to train or teach you on the steps that they've gone through, how to achieve their level of success and get to where they are, that would be a mentor. Many of us want to find a mentor to help get to these goals, get to your own personal goals as quickly as you can. I do agree that finding the right mentor in all aspects of life can really shortcut this and get you to your goal. A simple example of this is if you've never bought a car, let's say. I've made a video on the best ways to buy a car. I've bought dozens and dozens of cars over the years. I know the ins and outs of exactly how to buy a car. For example, if you were having someone mentor you on buying a car, you would watch a bunch of their videos or you would speak to them in person as to the things that they've gone through. And this would help give you an edge to understand what the process is going to be and what you're going to have to go through. And if it's done right, this mentor or this knowledge that you've learned is going to probably save you a bunch of money, save you a bunch of time and hassle. I'm an advocate of finding correct mentors in all aspects of your life that are going to help you get to your goal as quickly as possible for whatever that goal is in your life. Okay, so there's a saying, analysis paralysis. And one of the common mistakes that I see most newbies or people just starting to learn about financial freedom, gaining wealth, multiplying their income. And the first step that they do, they go online, they watch YouTube videos, and they find 20 people that they watch. And they're just getting an information overload from each one of these mentors, and they're just getting so much information. You're never going to be able to make a decision on who you're supposed to listen to if you have so many conflicting things or you have so many people giving you information on a specific topic. So my first piece of advice, it is okay to watch videos and check out a lot of what people have to say, but I would focus on just one or two, a very select number of people that are giving you advice on a specific topic. Find one or two people that are an expert in that field, and those will be the people that you want to focus on. Not to say that other people have bad information, but if you just have too much coming in, it's too much to process, you're gonna have a skewed vision of what you're trying to achieve. And a lot of times, if you're getting too much information from too many different people, this is what analysis paralysis. You just don't even make any decision or you don't do anything because you just feel overwhelmed with the number of opportunities that are out there. Okay, so step number 2, let's get into it. How do we actually find a mentor? So the easiest place to find a mentor or to start your search is YouTube. You have a lot of people that are talking about every type of topic or subject, area in your life that you could ever hope for, that you're looking to improve or you're looking to find someone that is in a place that you want to be. So once you've done this, from the mentor's point of view, they probably have a very high number of people contacting them, asking them questions. A mentor is going to look for someone who will provide value to them. If a mentor is, for example, looking at their inbox and every single person in their inbox is, hey, I've got a question. Can you teach me this? Can you show me this? This is the majority of the people that are contacting a mentor. But if you provided value to a mentor where they see these hundreds of emails coming in or in their inbox, that one mail in their inbox says, I want to help promote your videos. I'll work for free. Tell me what I can do to help you. They're going to be much more inclined to click on a message in their inbox because it's completely different. Here's someone out of the hundreds of people or thousands of people that are contacting you that is actually trying to provide value. So they're going to be a lot more inclined to click on that. Hey, what's this person about? They're actually trying to give me value instead of leeching or sucking value out. And this would be a great first step. So if you have a bunch of people that you're considering that you want to be mentored personally by, I would give value instead of trying to leech or take value. That's what 99% of all of the people contacting them is doing. They're leeching value, they're not giving them anything. If you stand out and you say, hey, look, I want to give you something, I want to help you, I want to work for free, this is the mindset that you want. And ask yourself, if a mentor has already achieved a level of success that you want to be at, and you say, hey, what can I do to help you out in any way? I'll even work for free, because in return, if that person mentors you or they help you achieve your goals, that is the end goal here. That's what you're trying to achieve anyways. I find that when you try to find a mentor, provide value first. Okay, so now I want to talk about what to stay away from. There are a lot of people out there, smart people, that are giving great information, that are willing to mentor you, but I want you to just be very cautious of any mentor that you, let's say, follow them on YouTube, you're listening, watching their videos, you like what they have to talk about, they are providing value, and they're selling a course. I'm not against people that sell a course, but I am against people that provide some value, but then sell a $5,000 or $10,000 course and prey on people where they make it seem if you buy this course, it's going to solve all of your problems. So I want you to just draw the line in the sand and really understand the difference of a mentor providing value and whether they're giving you that value for free and mentoring you or if they're charging. But I want you to understand that someone giving you value or mentoring you but charges you an exorbitant fee in order to achieve that goal, I want you to definitely take a step back and ask yourself, does this make sense? Is this really going to solve my problem? And for the most part, these so-called gurus or many of the mentors that sell these very, very expensive courses, 99% plus of the people that buy them, they don't get the value that was promised. They're not earning even back the fee that they've paid for that course. A reason for this could be that the person doesn't put the action in play, they don't take the steps in the course, but I just want you to be very leery of spending hundreds and hundreds or thousands of dollars where it's going to be your quick fix to life or your problem, and if you just buy the course, you're not going to have this problem anymore. And I want you to be very conscientious of this, because while gurus and while mentors obviously need to make an income, and charging money for information that solves a problem is important, don't be tricked into paying money to solve a problem that is going to be the end all here all. And if you just spend, like I said, thousands of dollars, you're not going to have this problem anymore. Be very, very conscientious of this. Really just know that a mentor is there to help, but a mentor is not there to charge thousands of dollars, some sort of get rich quick or buy my course, you'll never have a problem again. So just be very careful about who you work with and where you're spending your money on these courses. Okay, so a bonus tip to end this video: do your due diligence. When you're researching a mentor, just because they have a high subscriber count, just because they've put out a book, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're a great person. You can do a quick search on Google, you can look at what people's experiences have been, if specifically they're charging a course, if they're providing information for any amount of money. You can very easily Google or do your research and just find out, do people have a good experience or a bad experience with this mentor? And you will find that a lot of mentors out there that are charging very, very high amounts for a course, they'll have, as I mentioned, 99% of the people are not making money. They're dissatisfied. They want their money back. Just be very, very careful. Do your due diligence. Whenever you're trying to find a mentor in any aspect of your life where you're going to take advice from this person, find out what other people's experiences are. And I always like to say, use common sense. If you see hundreds of fake reviews on a mentor or guru, there are one-sentence reviews where it just looks scammy or fake. This is an easy way to spot when someone is fraudulent and is not a genuine mentor. If you see actual, real people talking about it, not just on a Trustpilot or just a specific review site, but on forums, on all different places around the internet, where you're getting an overall sense that, hey, this mentor really is doing a good job and providing value or not providing value, you get a really easy sense of what to expect if you let this person mentor you. So just be careful, do your due diligence. It's an easy way to find out what other people's experiences are. Don't base your sole conclusion on a subscriber count because it doesn't give you the whole picture. So I hope this video found you well and you got value from it. If you did, smash that like button. It really does help the YouTube algorithm. It lets other people see this video and get value as well. If you have not subscribed, consider doing so. I talk about passive income, growing your wealth, and just overall finances in general on how to achieve your goals. Make sure you leave a comment below. I want to hear what your thoughts are. Do you agree or disagree with the points that I've stated on how to find a mentor and the tips and tricks that I give? It does really help the community when you guys comment. As always, thanks for watching the video. I will see you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Thanks a lot.